Hello Vloggers, today we're going to unbox and review Unmatched Deadpool. This is from Restoration Games Mondo Games, and it's for ages 14 and up, but not even 14. It has 1 miniature and 31 cards. Deadpool is a Marvel character, and I haven't seen the movies with Deadpool and any Marvel characters. Originally, they were going to come out with 12 Marvel characters, but all of a sudden on April 1st, Deadpool, surprisingly, and no, it is not an April Fool's joke. On the back, it also tells you the contents. It says 1 health dial, 31 unique cards, leftover pizza, not included. Okay, let's open it. There we go. Here's the health dial. It's only 10 health, which is the lowest health. It's almost as much as a sidekick health. Like, what's that? Little off for Huntsman's. Finally, the figure. The figure is pretty large, actually. And it has a sparkly red base. And also, this is a standalone expansion. So you have to buy any other expansion besides Bruce Lee to play with this. These are the things to hold the dials together and the thing that you need to play the cards. I think almost every single card in here is different. Deadpool. He's melee with 10 health, and he moves 2, and he has no sidekick. And his power, after you attack Deadpool, recovers 1 health. Since he only has 10 starting health, he does need to heal. But after you attack, you heal. So that means if you attack twice on your turn, you get a heal 2 times. Also, if your opponent's real name is Logan, all your attacks are +5. So we're just going to show one of each type of card. There is schemes, attacks, defense, and versatile. First one is fate. No, not like the cancel effects thing, but fate. And it's for Dr. Deadpool, and it says knock your figure over and then make a fainting sound. And then recover 2 health and reset your figure. That one was a scheme card. And then here's one that is pretty cool. Super Fate. Oops. Super Fate. It's a 4 versatile, so you can play as attack too, which is still pretty good. And this card cannot be canceled. Cancel all effects on your opponent's card, then draw a card. So you're guaranteed to draw a card and cancel all effects. Here. This one is a 3 defense, and it says recover 2 health. Then if you're at full health, take 2 damage. I don't see what's the point and recover 2 health if you're at 8 health. And an attack card that's pretty cool. It's a 4 attack, and it's called Colkin Heads. And after combat, if you won combat, deal 3 damage to each other opposing fighter adjacent to the opposing fighter. That's just crazy. Because that means if you attack somebody that is also surrounded by people, then they're basically like 1 health sidekicks, then they're almost all dead. And there's many more in here. And if you want to see all the other cards, go to the live stream, and the link will be up there or down below, somewhere there. We're going to do 2 live streams, one against Bruce Lee, so that's a 2 standalone expansions, and the one with me playing as Spike and my dad playing as Deadpool. We'll be back with our final thoughts. And we're back. We just did a couple of live playthroughs, and now for the final thoughts. Deadpool's pretty fun, and I also like all the cards that play back to other cards, except he just puts his face on everything. For example, like His gaze is stone and traces back to Medusa, except it doesn't look like Medusa's. And he puts his face in there. Or the I'm not wearing pants one goes back to Invisible Man. And there's one about Alice, Dracula, Sherlock, Robin Hood. And having 10 health and seeing his style finally. His style, I like how at the end when Deadpool's dead, it shows the different symbols. It shows like a S, the number thing, the app symbol, the percent symbol, and an exclamation point. And besides that, Deadpool does have a few strengths and weaknesses, but he is really fun to play. I think my favorite card in here may be either the Eat Me one, where you say immediately, you say Eat Me, and then during combat you say Eat Me, and then if you lost combat, you say Eat Me. Or maybe the one that when you play it as for the attack one, the one where you make the sound. That one is pretty cool. Overall, you should definitely get Deadpool. I think I might like Deadpool a bit better than Bruce Lee, since he has some strengths and weaknesses, and also his cards are really fun. If this looks fun to you, you can purchase it at the link in the description. Bye!